Okay, the off-roading starts. Crazy. Bro, my wheel is slipping, man. Some crazy shit is happening now. Off-roading on a superbike. And guys, mind you, there are Daytonas and S1000RR coming behind me. So imagine their state of mind. I think we cannot go because there's some serious shit. Hey!
I don't think this will go.
Bro, don't want, bro. Let's go back, don't want.
This is not going to happen. Not with the Superbikes, not with that.
Hey, bada mat. Okay, we are going back. No taking risk. We have to head back to Bangalore. Hey, Machad. I'm not taking risk. Macha, ba bada. Ning battery bare low ide. Bada, isto bada. Because these bikes, right, they are not meant for this kind of road. I mean, if anything goes wrong, there is no proper support here, and we are in a different state altogether. And I just got my bike serviced, so I don't want to take a single risk. On my Duke, yes, I can, because Duke can manage such kind of terrain, but not the street triple. This bike is meant for corners and highways, and I just got the belly pan also, so nope, no taking risk at all. But it was fun. The corners were fun. I'm getting wrist pain already. Okay, I'll wait here.